This is Sky News at 10, and with more people than ever suffering from stress-related conditions, finding a cure for anxiety is proving something of a holy grail. And now researchers have developed a new brain scan in an attempt to discover more about the problem. Our health correspondent Thomas Moore took the test for himself.
Wired up for an electric shock, trapped in a wooden box and loaded into the narrow tunnel of an MRI scanner. This is how scientists are hoping to find the worry centre of the brain.
OK, you're just going to hear some noise to start with, Thomas, OK?
I am volunteer number 13 in a study that induces anxiety.
You still OK in there?
Yeah, fine.
OK.
My task, to use a joystick to steer a green dot.
If he gets this wrong, he'll get shot.
If I'm caught by a red one, I get a mild jolt of electricity. The research at London's Institute of Psychiatry suggests anxiety is part of the brain's natural way of judging risk in a threatening situation.
OK, we're all done. We're going to get you out, OK?
Only when anxiety is exaggerated does it become a disease.
Once upon a time, anxiety was thought of as wholly something to be cured, something that we learned from childhood, from harsh potty training, anything, some sort of unfortunate childhood incident might make us an anxious person. But we now know that for most people it's just part of our general adaptive repertoire, in this case to do with keeping us safe.
Superimposed scans from the volunteers show the same areas light up while they play the computer game. Areas used for vision and muscle control, but surprisingly the hippocampus too. It's the memory centre, but also, it seems, the source of anxiety.
For the first time now we're able to tap in and visualise the biology of the brain. Through that we'll obviously be able to destigmatise much of the concern that the population has about explaining they have an anxiety disorder. So through that I think then we can have much more focused treatment strategies for different patient populations.
The research is funded by AXA PPP Healthcare, which is looking for new ways of managing stress and anxiety, particularly in the current economic climate. The scientists believe their findings could lead to new, more effective treatments that specifically target the anxiety centre of the brain and help more people find peace of mind.